Hello! Today on the channel we're going to be unboxing Parabones, part of the Super Mario Bros. JAKKS figures, the 4-inch figures. I got this one a little while back, but I figured let's kick off this October Halloween unboxing with a Parabones, you know? A little skeleton Koopa Troopa, why not? With wings. Alright, that's the front of the box there. Let's go ahead and flip it around to the back. There's the back. There's that Parabones. And the side, not a lot to see there, but there it is. The other side, about the same. Had a tag on it. I think I got this a while back from Kohl's, and that's why it had that tag on there. There's a view from the top. And from the bottom is your barcode and legalese. Alright, let's pull back a little bit and kind of get a close-up of everything. 3+. There's Mario. It's the old style box. The newer style box, you can actually see his other eye right here. So that's how you know whether it's the old style or the new style. There's Super Mario logo. There's the wings, and there's Parabones. Let's see if we can see his shell. Nice. Alright, there's some Parabones there. JAKKS warning, attention. And the back, you got your Nintendo licensed product. Super Mario. There he is. My box is a little bit bent, but oh well. And there's a little blurb if you'd like to read it. Let's see if I can get it to a spot where it's actually in good focus. Right there should do it. Alright, let's go down. Let's see how many points of articulation. Looks like 14 points. Very good. And then other figures. Oh man, it got blurry. Come on, there we go. Okay. Alright, let's just get it open. Let's grip it. Rip it. Alright. Let's get this Halloween Super Mario Bros. Figure out of the box. Kick this month off right. Alright. Get those wings. Wings. And it's going to get real loud real fast. Wow. I like this shell. Bone shell. Alright, let's stick those wings in this bone shell. I don't think... Okay, so one side has the actual texture, one side is kind of smooth. I bet the smooth side should be on the outside. Wow, that goes in tight. There we go. Pop. Next wing. And... get in there. I guess it's in. Yep, it's in. It's in good enough. Alright. Oh, he's cool. Oh, I didn't realize his mouth was going to open. I'm already in love with this. That's fantastic. I love any figure that their mouth opens and closes. That's fantastic. Like the piranha plant. Okay. Let's check the articulation. We already kind of did. But yeah, first point of articulation, that mouth. Look, there it is, all the way open. Oh man, that's great. And there it is, closed. I love it. Alright, his head looks like there's a peg going in on a rocker. So you're going to be able to swivel it, and you're going to be able to go up, down. There's your up. And yeah, it's very good. I like it a lot. Get you anywhere you want to go. He is a skeleton, so that's not a wrong pose. Okay. Of course, the wings, we saw that they popped in on a ball joint, so they're going to be able to flap and spin and do whatever you need them to do. So, very nice. Very nice wings. His arms has a peg going in on a rocker there for the shoulder. He does have a cut there in the elbow. And he does also have a cut on the glove there. So you got double movement there. You can get that one where you need to and move that around. So yeah, there is a little bend in this from here to here. So it does matter how it swivels. So it'll give you a little up or a little down. Pretty cool. And he's got holdy hands if you wanted to put something in there from one of the other figures, like one of those magic wands or something. That's cool. The legs. Alright, so he's got a peg right there on a rocker. Peg is going in, you can see it, so it'll swivel there on that peg and then rock with the rocker, so it gets you anywhere you need to go. The knee has a cut. And the boot has a cut, so that little piece of there's a cut there and a cut down inside of the boot too, so a lot of movement there. I don't know if you really need the boot cut, but there it is. The tail doesn't really move. It's just a really soft plastic, but it's not really meant to move around. And that's it. Parabones. That's a cool little dude. Let's go ahead and bring this camera forward. Little tilt going. Set him over here. And I forgot to grab some other Mario characters, so I will be, let's get him in a cool pose. Why not something fun? He's a great character. Alright, let me go grab some characters. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I grabbed two really quick. Gotta do Bowser and Mario. Got it, right? Has to gots to gets those two in the shot. Let's make it look cool. How about that? And get a focus. Alright, that looks pretty good. There is your Parabones crew. Stay tuned for some posing. Thanks so much for watching.